It's Joey J, your favorite gay and partner with Sally Beauty. Before I showed you how I used bondbar's newest blonde collection to get that bombshell blonde look, today I'm going to show you how to put some life back into her using bondbar's hair care line. The first thing you're going to do is use bondbar's bonding pre-shampoo, apply a generous amount on damp hair, and let that sit for about 10 minutes. Yes, I'm doing this in my living room. My shower does not have the best lighting. When she's done, rinse her out and then lather her up with the bonding purple shampoo. You are going to let her cancel out all of the yellow tones for about 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse her again and grab the bonding conditioner and get all up in there. Let that sit for 3 minutes, and after, let me tell you, she is going to be soft. We are almost finished. Rinse her out and take the bonding hydration mask and let that sit for 10 minutes. I can't sit still for that long, so I kill those 10 minutes like a crazy person. I do this regimen once a week tops. Otherwise, I just shampoo and condition every few days. Everyone's hair is different, and you know your hair best. She will tell you when she needs some attention. Funny, just like me. If you're in a time crunch, but she's crying, literally, for some moisture, use the bonding leave-in conditioner spray. Just spray, style, and go on with your day, diva. Here is the final product. My hair is back to being fresh, soft, and silky. Bondbar is available at all Sally Beauty locations.